converting decimals to a proper fraction in simplest form. So, same thing here, I need to know what place value I end with. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to write the number, in this case 0.24, I'm going to write it as 24 without that decimal. And then I'm thinking about what place does it end in? Tenths, hundredths. So a 1 with 2 zeros because it ends 2 places after the decimal. And so 24 hundredths is my fraction, but I want it in simplest form, so I have to reduce. If I divide by 2, half of 24 is 12, half of 100 is 50. I can reduce that again. Divide by 2. 12 divided by 2 is 6. 50 divided by 2 is 25. So 6 over 25 would be my fraction in simplest form. And if I grab my calculator here quick, if I have a decimal number on my calculator, I'm going to type in 0.24 and hit equals. 0.24 shows up again on my calculator. To change a decimal to a fraction, I'm going to use Shift and the fraction key, which is the one that says ABC on it. Shift and the fraction on my calculator screen shows 6/25. So number 8. If I want to write that as a fraction in simplest form, again, I could ignore the zeros. I have the number 56 without the decimal, and then I'm going to have a 1, and I have tenths, hundredths, thousandths, 3 places after the decimal, so 56 thousandths. Again, both of those are even, so I can divide by 2. 56 divided by 2 is 28. 1,000 divided by 2 would be 500. Again, I can divide by 2. 28 divided by 2 is 14. 500 divided by 2 is 250. Again, they're both even. I can divide by 2. Half of 14 is 7. Half of 250 is 125. Can't reduce that down any farther, so 7 over 125. So again, with my calculator, 0.056, hit equals, it'll show the decimal, Shift and the fraction, and 7 over 125 is what you should get on your calculator. And number 9, 9.95 as a fraction would be 95, and then tenths, hundredths, 1 with 2 zeros, 2 places after the decimal is the hundredth spot. Here I can divide by 5 because I end in 5s and zeros. 95 divided by 5 is 19. 100 divided by 5 is 20. So 0.95 is 19/20ths as a fraction.